Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking our taste buds on an incredible journey to South America to explore the sweet side of Peru. Get ready because we're counting down the top 5 Peruvian desserts that you absolutely have to try. Trust me, you're going to want to book a flight after this. Let's kick things off at number 5 with crema volteada. If you love flan or creme caramel, you'll be obsessed with this. It's a rich, creamy custard baked to perfection and then flipped upside down, releasing a cascade of golden caramel sauce. The name literally means flipped cream, and its velvety texture is pure bliss. It's denser and creamier than its European cousins, making it a truly decadent start to our list. Coming in at number 4, we have a classic that's loved all over Latin America, but Peru gives it a special twist: alfajores. These aren't just any sandwich cookies. Imagine 2 delicate, crumbly, shortbread-like cookies that melt in your mouth, held together by a generous layer of creamy dulce de leche, or as Peruvians call it, manjar blanco. Often dusted with powdered sugar, they are the perfect companion for a cup of coffee. Simple, elegant, and dangerously addictive. Now, for our number 3 spot, let's talk about suspiro a la limeña. This dessert's name translates to sigh of a lady from Lima. And once you taste it, you'll understand why. It's a 2-layer masterpiece. The bottom is a silky smooth manjar blanco pudding, made with condensed milk and egg yolks. The top is a light cloud-like meringue flavored with port wine and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The combination of the rich, sweet base and the airy, slightly boozy topping is just heavenly. It's pure poetry in a glass. Cruising into our number 2 spot is a street food legend, churros filled with manjar blanco. You might think you know churros, but Peruvian churros take it to a whole new level. These long, crispy fried dough pastries are rolled in sugar, and then, the best part, they're hollowed out and piped full of that sweet, caramel-like manjar blanco. That first bite, when the warm, crispy exterior gives way to the gooey, sweet filling, it's an unforgettable experience. You'll find them at street carts and fairs all over Peru. And finally, our number 1 Peruvian dessert, a true national treasure, is picarones. These are not your average donuts. Picarones are made from a unique dough of sweet potato and a type of local squash called macar. This dough is formed into rings and deep fried until they are golden and crispy on the outside, but light and airy on the inside. The real magic happens when they're drenched in a warm, spiced syrup called chancaca, which is made from raw sugar, cinnamon, and cloves. The sweet, fragrant syrup soaking into the warm, slightly savory donut is a flavor combination that is uniquely Peruvian and absolutely sensational. So there you have it, the top 5 must-try Peruvian desserts. From the creamy crema volteada to the iconic picarones, Peru offers a world of sweet delights. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching with me today. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss another global adventure. Until next time, stay sweet.